Hey, guess what? It's snowing. Yes, I'm standing in downtown Keewatin. If you look behind me, that is the Sinclair and the water tower. The water tower seems to be disappearing slowly into the snow. This is kind of a real snowstorm. Oh, here comes, I think that might be Calvin. No, maybe not. Hey, Calvin! You're on Facebook Live. It's snowing hard. It just started maybe an hour and a half ago. It's coming down an inch an hour, maybe better. And the wind is blowing. It's the real deal. We had such a mild fall and beginning of winter. I'm kind of surprised that all of a sudden we have this big snowstorm. But, you know, it's Minnesota. It's what it is. Here's a better look. There's a couple cars coming in out of the snow. Right now the flag is pretty mild, but every once in a while the wind comes up and whips it.
Hey bud, is there a bank around here?
Credit union, that's it. Huh. Don't know what that was all about. Let's see if we can turn this around. There he is. I think he found the bank, maybe. Huh. Okay, so that's what's going on here. It's snowing pretty hard. Oh, again, that water tower's almost gone. And here comes the wind. Oh, there it goes. It disappeared. Oh, now it's back. Okay, just to let you know, blizzard's on its way.